Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So as we approach the launching date of the upcoming foldable device, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 revelations contain some good news if you're considering a purchase of the upcoming foldable phone. The successor to the Galaxy Z Fold3 is going to get its very own S Pen. Samsung confirmed as much when detailing what to expect at the company's Galaxy Unpacked event in August. Ahead of the August Unpacked event, Samsung has released a trailer to see what is unfolded. Now take a look.
Why change a good thing? Good question. This was once a good thing. This was also once a good thing. But at some point, they've all changed. For the better. And once we experience better, we never go back. So here's a better question. Is good enough?
So in previewing the August 11th Unpacked event, Mrnewmobile, the head of Samsung's mobile business, promised the first ever S Pen designed specifically for foldable phones. It's all but certain that the Galaxy Z Fold3 will support the S Pen. It's possible the Galaxy Z Flip 3, also expected to debut at that same event, could support the feature too. The S Pen in question is undoubtedly Samsung's S Pen Pro, a Bluetooth-enabled device announced earlier this year. Unlike the S Pen, Samsung launched alongside the Galaxy S21 Ultra in the spring. The Pro version can act as a remote control and support air gestures, features that should be familiar to fans of the Galaxy Note phablet. Please subscribe to Mrnewmobile channel. So the bad news starts when you turn to the rumor mill to fill in details about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and its S Pen support. In the last week, a leaker said that there won't be a slot for the S Pen built into the Galaxy Z Fold 3 the way there is for the Galaxy Note 20 and early versions of the phablet. Instead, you'll need to have a case if you want to keep your Galaxy Z Fold and its S Pen in one place. Alleged renders of a Galaxy Z Fold 3 case show how the pen will attach to the accessory. This all sounds a lot like the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which was the first non-Galaxy Note device to add S Pen support. In that instance, the S Pen was sold separately, as was the case you could use to store the stylus. There's no word on whether Samsung is going to follow a similar route with the Z Fold 3 or include the pen and case as a bundle when you buy the phone. A key part of that experience is having the stylus always at hand. Galaxy Note users know what it feels like to pop the S Pen out of their phone and be ready to get to work. It's hard to see how having a case with a stylus replicates that same experience. There's also the potential matter of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 specs, which aren't official yet but have been leaked to a fairly well. Those leaks indicate the battery inside the new Fold is actually smaller than the one in the Galaxy Z Fold 2, 4,380 mAh versus 4,500 mAh. There could be a lot of reasons to shrink the power pack, though the most commonly accepted one was that Samsung was making room for the S Pen slot. If that's not the case, if the S Pen doesn't have a slot, then why the smaller battery? No one knows how much the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will actually cost, but the most optimistic rumor suggests it will be around $1,599. That's certainly cheaper than past folds, but far more expensive than most smartphones go for these days. Even the Galaxy S21 Ultra is nobody's idea of a bargain phone that would cost $400 less than that. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Flip 3, and the other Samsung devices will be coming up in the Unpacked event, but currently, they are all looking superb. Without being said, if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.